Hey, what's up guys? Today in this video I'm going to tell you how can you show your Twitch overlays like all the others big YouTubers do, like iShowSpeed and all the others big Twitch streamers do. So I'll show you right now. So let's back to the computer screen. So first you have to go to the chat IS. You have to type on the Google chat IS. Then you see the first option. So you have to click it. And here you have to type your Twitch channel name. So my one is Rathul XD. So if you guys haven't followed me yet, so you can do so now. So you have to type it and you have to do customize as you want it. Like I want like animation and claps, all the stuff. Then you have to generate it. Alright. So as you can see, there is a one URL. You have to copy it and you have to paste OBS, and there's another called like stream. So you have to paste it on it. That's it. That's all you have to do. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.